Hey guys, it's Cooper the Gamer 77 here and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a vlog. So this is a bit different to what I usually do. But I was invited to vlog my day for the Vlog Your Day event where all little videos get put into a YouTube original video. So here I am vlogging on the way to soccer because it's Saturday and I play soccer on a Saturday. So you're gonna see about 1 minute video, well, a minute compilation video of me playing soccer, and here it is. Alright guys, so we just finished up the soccer game. We did get some footage, but it sort of was a bit too foggy. But anyways, if you still want to see the 5 seconds of the video, here it is. Yep, so it's a bit too foggy to see anything properly. You could see some stuff, like just the shadows of stuff, but still you couldn't really see it. But we won. It was 2-0, and I was the sweeper position. I usually go right defender, right back. Yep, so we're just driving home now, and I'll see you when we get there. Yeah, so it's cleared up a bit more now, but it's still like really foggy, as you can see. Oh wow, it's really foggy out there. Yeah. Alright everyone, so I'm just taking off my boots because everybody knows you can't have boots inside. So I'm just quickly taking them off. And I'll go inside. Alrighty, so I need to clean my room. It's a mess. So what better way to do it is to do it in a montage. Okay, so this is me cleaning up my room currently. It's very messy because my little brother and his friend decided to take my table out for a picnic outside, and they took everything off it and chucked it on the floor. So I was the good brother I am and put everything back on it and away. But anyways, my room's clean now, so it's good. Okay, so this is the final result. We got the table right there. We got my messed up bed, which I'll fix later. It's my wardrobe. You don't need to see anything in there, just cause. This is my room. Oh. Okay. After a long game of soccer, I think I deserve a little break watching some YouTube. I'll catch back with you in about an hour. Alright, so I'm just currently watching the footy. It's the Warriors and the Sydney Roosters. As you can see, the Warriors 10. Roosters have 12. Alright guys, so I was just playing some video games for a good, I don't know, 1.5 hours I think it was. And I decided to come out onto the trampoline, even though it's really rainy and it's 5 o'clock. I still want to come out, and I'm going to show you my flip I've been working on. And I know I am 12 years old and I should know how to do a flip, but since like a couple weeks ago we've had a tiny trampoline, but we got a massive upgrade, so that's really good. And also guys, I may or may not be making a YouTube video on my flip progression. Okay, who knows? But anyways, here is my okay flip. It's not the best, but here it is attempted. Oh. Alright guys, so it's currently dinner time. We've got the Big Mac just here. Got the chips, which are now gone, and have the pickles because I don't like pickles. We've got the drink, which is a medium-sized slushy, and it's grape and raspberry because that's my two favourite flavours. And we're also watching Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Alright guys, so we just finished the movie and it's night time, and that unfortunately means that this vlog is over. If you like this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button, as that is always greatly appreciated, and make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to see another vlog, comment down into the comments that you want to see another vlog, because I don't usually do these. This was a special occasion. If you want to see another vlog, just comment down into the comments. It's that simple. And also make sure to smash subscribe and like the video. Bye guys!